Hey guys, I'm here with Michael with Panduit. Panduit has been a long-time partner with NCS for our installations and integrations. And today he's going to give us a complete tour of their booth at the BICSI Winter Conference. We're going to talk about fault managed power systems, how that differs from PoE and traditional AC power. And he's going to walk through some of the big trends and what you should be looking out for 2026 in your planning and going into AI infrastructure and the data centers moving forward in 2027. Let's go.
All right. Good afternoon. I'm Mike McGrath. I'm the Director of Product Management and Engineering for Panduit's enterprise business. And we have a theme today at our show, and it's really innovation. So you're going to see a lot of really cool Panduit innovations as we walk around the booth. And I'll introduce you to my subject matter experts who will give you a little download on what the value proposition and why it's innovative.
Great.
All right, folks, I'd like you to meet Mahmoud. He is a subject matter expert on fault managed power systems. And Mahmoud, if you could explain a little bit about the system, what the value prop is, and what's innovative.
Absolutely. So what you're looking at here is latest innovation by Panduit. It's called fault managed power system. Think of it as revolutionizing how you run electricity inside or outside of buildings. The benefits behind this are fast, efficient installation, very efficient electricity delivery, can go really long distances. So it's really making you rethink how you run electricity inside a building. Typically, you're thinking of an electrical panel that's installed by an electrician and it has breakers. This is kind of what the future looks like. It's more IT-like. The breakers are now more intelligent, and it's actually providing safety in your electrical distribution throughout your building. So this is distributing electricity. And the idea behind it is if I touch the voltage here, it's actually intelligent enough where it turns the circuit off almost instantly. So there's a lot of safety behind this. It's a class 4 compliant product. It's listed to the UL standards around this technology. We're distributing electricity. We're going over cable pathways. As you can see, that's part of the big benefit is now you don't necessarily need to run your electrical cable in conduit. You can run it with your low voltage, like your fiber or your data cable. So that's where the fast and efficient installation comes from. And then go out to potentially an enclosure that looks very much like this, where you have a second part of our system called the receiver. It will take this FMP power and then convert it to a usable voltage to power, in this case, a switch for an industrial application. If we go around here, showing you different applications for outdoor CCTV cameras, like you typically have cameras out in parking lots or garages. They're fed from a switch like this, usually getting power outside into parking garages or a parking lot. It's very difficult. FMP makes that very simple because, again, you can run your fiber and your copper together in the same pathway. One right here, typical IT closets or IDF closets in a building. You have a switch that looks just like that. Again, FMP is providing power to it safely, efficiently, can be installed by low voltage contractors, which makes it a very fast installation.